Jatend piny William Ruto dichieng' makonendi ne odok ne sirkal nogo mano mar Broadbase ma bende oyango ni en mano mosebedo ka chwalo dongruoge mopogore opogore pacho kaendi mago makoroni to inyalo siem nyaka ne gichak chenro nindo mano mar sirkand Broadbase. Ruto mane loso e kar jot kero nogo mano ma Mombasa ne oyango ni mano kata Broadbase en chenro nindo maber kendo osebedo ka chwalo dongruoge ma inyalo siem gi oganda e pacho kaendi. Kinde gogo bende ne otelo e nyasi nindo mano mar iftar mar oganda din josalama ma bende dhi nyime koda chenro nindo mano mar Ramadhan e pacho kaendi. Weche mag jatend piny bende ne osir lwedo koda ogai maduong' buch siasa mar ODM Oburu Oginga mane oyango ne sirkal nitie koda chenro makare mar chwalo dongruoge e pacho kaendi.
Don't take for granted that today we have a broad-based government. For those of you who may not have the responsibility to lead from a national standpoint, don't underestimate what unity, what people coming together can do. Leo hapa hatungekuwa tunaongea mambo ya National Infrastructure Fund if there was no broad-based government. We would not. Let me just so that you know, we would not have had the capacity to even raise resources using the Kenya Pipeline IPO or the Safaricom process. It would not have been possible. It's because of unity. Ndio Waswahili wakasema umoja ni nguvu.
Mr. President, I was so happy when you established this fund of infrastructure, because those areas just need development, that is infrastructure, and they will get even better returns than the so-called high potential areas, Mr. President. Mr. Speaker, Mr. President, I hope that this fund of infrastructure will not discriminate the North. It must be used to open the infrastructure in the North. And we shall work together to make sure, when President, when the next elections come and those developments are there of infrastructure in the North, it is more than enough. We shall contain water which will be used for irrigation, water which will be used to contain floods, water which will be used for generating electricity, and it will also be used for human consumption. Mr. President, this will end insecurity in the North. The issue of insecurity will be a thing of the past. If you open up these areas, and I still want to repeat, and I will continue repeating, that we must develop the Muslim areas, and we must give the Muslims the freedoms, the type you have given them, opportunity to have access to identity as Kenyans.